Alright fellas, today we're going to be discussing why this fan right here would not be turning on. I bought this 99 Honda Civic LX and it drove fine for about an hour on my way home, but it had started to overheat, so I had to pull over. So what I was noticing was this fan was not turning on. So I checked the relays, which would be right in here. Pop this off. So this relay and this relay, you could swap it out to test and see if it's that. I did that and the fan still didn't turn on. Now, that's not exactly something you would have to do immediately, but you'd want to turn your AC fan on and see if this fan kicks on. Because what I noticed was, I turn on my AC fan and this mother would not kick on. So, because this one was not turning on, this wasn't turning on. And I had the issue, looked on YouTube, and I noticed that no one actually told me to hit this fan. They told me to hit this fan. So I did that. I hit this fan and it didn't turn on. So then I checked this little fan switch right here, and I did the paperclip method with this thing right here, and the paperclip method worked. So I thought it was this. Swapped this out, and I also swapped this little guy right here. This is the engine coolant temp sensor or something like that. I forgot exactly what it's called, but I swapped this out, and I changed the thermostat on the inside. So I did all that kind of for nothing. Come to find out, it was literally just this fan. This fan just had to be knocked right in here on this little thing. It had a little bit of buildup because it sat there for a while. So turn your AC on to the minimal amount of speed and hit this. Not this, but you know, the fan. Hit the fan. Like right there where that little circle is. Hit that fan, see if this kicks on, get it to operating temperature, and then check and see if this fan turns on. If this fan does not turn on while this fan is working and running, you might need a new fan over here. So that's what that is. That's what I noticed with this vehicle. It's very weird. So that's it, because I went through all of this other stuff just to realize I just had to tap on this fan. Trying to save you guys some money, because all three of those parts probably came up to about 60 or 70 bucks, to be honest. Like this one was about 27. Now these two parts right here are about 27 bucks a piece. The actual thermostat was probably about 10, 12 bucks. So actually not that bad. So about 60, 50 bucks. Yeah, just take like a handy dandy fella like that. Just tap it like that. Give it a little tap. And then if that doesn't turn on, it's this fan or this fan. You'll just have to play it by ear, to be honest. But that's what I was just going to discuss, because I noticed some people on YouTube didn't say to hit this fan, but they said to hit this fan to see if it would kick on. That's if this fan would not turn on, which I did not notice it was not turning on. And because this fan didn't turn on, it didn't send a sensor over to this one to turn this one on. So that's that issue. You guys have a good day.